we are going to show you step by step how to take out the back glass and put the new one. Okay, let's dive into the repair. Okay, here we have the Samsung. First things, we will remove the metal. This is the metal that you're using for the magnet in the car. This is the IMEI of the phone. Also is printed to the glass, but we need to save for the new glass. Okay, now we will use this blender and here on the corner, and we will move down very slow. Where you feel a little difficult, don't push, don't keep like moving forward, because it can damage some flex cable that are underneath on the on the back glass. Okay, now we will do it from another side. And from another side. And we apply the heat first. We heated the back of the phone, and right now it's much easy to take the glass out. Okay. Perfect. Now we will take this one out. And also we will remove the sensor here for the microphone. Okay, we will transfer this filter to the new back glass, because it works for the microphone, where you use it like with a loudspeaker or with a camera, like voice call. Perfect. Now we will remove this sticker. Also, the camera has a sticker protection for the dust. And right now we will apply it to the phone. Okay. Okay, everything looks good. and this job is done. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and we are going to make another video next time. Thank you.